This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Super clean, move-in ready, 2/2 of a second floor condo in Viera East. Fantastic location in gated community. Open floor plan with spacious rooms, great natural light, kitchen with breakfast bar, screened balcony, washer and amp, dryer, and good storage. Enjoy the fabulous community amenities, pool, spa, sundeck, clubhouse gym, and car care center. Easy access to I-95, restaurants, shopping and beach. Minutes to the avenues at Viera. Available now, don't miss out. No smoking and no pets, no exceptions. For more information, review the details below.